Looking to make sense of all your camera options? Let's take a quick look next on the Compel Media Moment. Buying a camera to shoot promotional videos for your company is a great start, but what you're looking for will depend upon what you want to shoot. For instance, starting with your mobile device is good for basic shots, and you even have some abilities to adjust contrast and brightness, but it is pretty limited. The next step up would be an action camera, like a GoPro. This type of camera gives you a lot more choices for frame rates, resolutions, and some cool controls for picture adjustment. They range between $300 and $500, and for another $300 you can even get a handheld camera stabilizer, which improves the quality of your camera movements. After an action camera, a DSLR would be a great improvement. Usually the sensor is larger, so the quality is better. You have a lot of options for shutter speed, aperture, depth of field, and lens types. Some DSLRs even have microphone inputs. DSLRs range from $300 to over $1,500. There may be accessories for a DSLR, including lenses, bigger screens, stabilizers, and audio gear. Up from the DSLR would be a full production camera. This camera gives you separate microphone inputs, headphone output, and a myriad of other options built right into the camera. The quality of these cameras matches the DSLR, or could be even better. What you're buying here is flexibility and options, and these cameras start at about $2,500 up to a little over $10,000. The biggest step is to enter into what we call the digital cinema camera, which shoot at least 4K resolution and take a variety of lenses. These cameras are so good, many are used to shoot feature films. Including the camera body, lenses, camera mounts, viewfinders, you're easily over $20,000 for a complete package. This is just an overview of the basic camera types. In another video, I'll cover the options you're going to want in a camera. And then finally, I'll do another video on the specific cameras you might want to buy. When your company is ready to hire a producer for an upcoming marketing video project, we'd love to be a resource for you. Please reach out to me by phone, email, or through one of our social media platforms, and I'd be glad to meet with you and your team. Thanks for watching. I look forward to making you more successful in your video marketing efforts.